up, everybody? Well, hopefully my audio comes out good on this video. This is my 3 MFer challenge video. And I'm just gonna jump right into it because I'm not gonna lie. I've already recorded this video 8 fucking times, but it never works because of that fucking piece of shit right here. My audio hasn't been working, so. Anyways, 3MF. You don't know what it is. Basically, you are shouting out the people that have supported you. I think it's actually supported you from the beginning that are still there, but I'm just throwing people out there. My first one is the original Bino. The original Bino, I think I met him about a month after I started doing YouTube. We hit it right off, became really good friends, very close friends, ended up being one of my best friends. A lot of shit in common. He's a good dude, he's a good supporter. Hopefully his dumb ass will start making moto vlogs. Maybe he'll actually do the 3MFer challenge too. I doubt it, but hopefully he does. You cock. But really, he is a good dude. I'm really proud of what he's done with his life. And I'd like to congratulate him on his accomplishments in the past few months. My second one is Mr. Mothman, the myth, the legend. I haven't known Mothman except for, I think I've known him for around 2 years now. But he is a great supporter too. I'd have to say me and Mothman are pretty good friends. Hopefully soon I can make it out to Ohio and rock that fucking H2 of his. But he really is a good dude. He is a good supporter too. He hasn't made any moto vlogs, but if you do go to his YouTube, he's thrown up a couple drone videos. He's pretty good with the fucking drones. Alright, my third one is Mr. Jester on 2. Again, Jester, pretty good friend of mine. Known him about the same amount of time I've known Mothman. Very knowledgeable of video and audio. Not afraid to ask for advice. Not afraid to give advice. We've helped out each other a few times, and we've helped out other people by combining our limited brain power. But Jester's a good dude, and he's a great supporter. You know, post shit on Instagram for you if you're doing something or anything like that. You know, he's a good supporter. Well, that's my 3MFers. I'm gonna do some honorable mentions real fast. And my first one is Mr. Captain Granite. I'm not 100% sure how long I've actually known Mr. Captain Granite. I believe it's been right at 3 years. But he is one of my absolute best friends. I love the dude to death. We talk on a daily basis, whether it's on the phone, text message, Instagram, Discord, whatever. And just like, you know, others, he definitely likes to ask my advice on things. I like to ask his. Play Xbox together. He is a good fucking dude. My next one is Tim Kreitz. Tim Kreitz, my next honorable mention, is from the very beginning, about a month after I started YouTube. The dude was gonna hang out with me, gave me some real good sound advice, helped me out with a few little issues I was having. He's always supported me since then. I know life happens, he gets busy, he hasn't really got to watch my videos lately, but you can pretty much go through and see that he's commented on a lot of my videos last year and the year before. Tim is an awesome dude. I love his videos. I love what he does. My last one's gonna be the Vegas girl. And she's another one. I know life happens. I'm not the only one that says it. A lot of us miss you making videos. A lot of us miss you being around. But I see you on Instagram and I see you on YouTube. I know you're still out there watching, making comments and supporting people. And that's awesome of you. But that's it. That's my 3MFer challenge. Yeah, I'm not going to end it at a red light. That's it. That's my 3MFer challenge. As always, please like the video. Help spread it around YouTube. Share it with your family, friends, nephews, cousins, dogs, cats, lovers, grandmas, grandpas, people down the street, hooker on the corner, whoever. Don't forget to comment. I don't always get back to my comments quickly, but I always get back to every single comment, unless I don't want to. And if you're new here watching this, go ahead, if you like everything, hit that subscribe button, but you don't have to. Dream about me? I'll catch you on the flip side. Later.